Prepositions are words used to indicate the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other elements in a sentence. They typically indicate spatial, temporal, or other relationships, such as direction, location, time, and manner.
You know that you and only you can change your life. It is time to make your dreams a reality in your life. We are going to help you now. Here, you are going to learn how to have a decent conversation with people around you, in your life, in your working place, and get your new job, in your life. In this video, you will learn little by little these new things. Don't need to rush yourself. Now let's see. To boldly go, where you have never gone before.
Prepositions are a type of word in English that are used to establish a relationship between nouns or pronouns and other elements in a sentence. These relationships can indicate spatial, temporal, or other types of relationships between two or more things. Prepositions often indicate the location, direction, or time of an action or event. For example, in the sentence "I'm going to the park," the preposition to is used to indicate the direction of the speaker's movement. Prepositions can also indicate the relationship between the subject of the sentence and other elements in the sentence, such as objects, people, or ideas. For example, in the sentence "the book is on the table," the preposition on is used to indicate the location of the book in relation to the table. In some cases, prepositions can have multiple meanings depending on the context of the sentence. For example, the preposition by can indicate the agent of an action, as in "the book was written by the author," or it can indicate the means of transportation, as in "I'll travel by plane." Learning to use prepositions correctly can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's important to learn prepositions in context and to understand the different types of relationships they can indicate in a sentence. Common prepositions in English include 1. At, used to indicate a specific location, time or event. For example, "I'll meet you at the station." 2. In, used to indicate a location inside a space or a time period. For example, "She's in the kitchen" or "We'll arrive in 5 minutes." 3. On, used to indicate a surface, a specific day, or a topic. For example, "The book is on the table" or "I have a meeting on Monday." 4. Of, used to indicate a possessive relationship or origin. For example, "The color of the dress is blue" or "She is from France." 5. To, used to indicate movement toward a person, place or thing. For example, "I'm going to the store." 6. From, used to indicate the source of something. For example, "I received a letter from my friend." 7. With, used to indicate a relationship or accompaniment. For example, "I'm going to the party with my friends." 8. By, used to indicate the agent of an action or the means of transportation. For example, "The book was written by the author" or "I'll travel by plane." 9. For, used to indicate the purpose, recipient or duration of an action. For example, "I bought a gift for my friend" or "I've been waiting for hours." There are many other prepositions in English, and they can be used in various combinations to convey different meanings and relationships. It's important to learn prepositions in context to use them correctly in sentences. 10. About, used to indicate a topic or subject of discussion. For example, "We were talking about the movie." 11. With, used to indicate an instrument or tool used to perform an action. For example, "I'm writing with a pen." 12. Of, used to indicate a characteristic or quality of something or someone. For example, "She's afraid of heights." 13. Without, used to indicate the absence of something or someone. For example, "I can't live without my phone." 14. Within, used to indicate a location or time period contained inside another. For example, "The keys are within the drawer." 15. Across, used to indicate movement from one side to another. For example, "We walked across the bridge." 16. Among, used to indicate something is surrounded by others. For example, "She found her book among the other books." 17. Above, used to indicate a position or level higher than something else. For example, "The bird is flying above the clouds." 18. Below, used to indicate a position or level lower than something else. For example, "The boat is below the surface of the water." Learning and using prepositions correctly can significantly improve your communication skills in English. Remember to always pay attention to the context of the sentence and use the appropriate preposition to convey your intended meaning.
Tell us, in the comments below, which one you feel is better for you. Don't worry, we will do the changes to answer you. To sound more native-like, practice saying what you just heard. This will increase your skills when you will have to talk to other people. Remember, the vowels will vibrate the sound waves, and the consonants will put a stop or a pause in the sound waves and mark a cadence for you to follow this musicality that will be created in your sayings. This way, you can create the syllables to strengthen your message, either to inform or to impose your arguments in your talking. This way you can control your conversations and impress your audience. Go in the description to have the link to the Canada Smart Mind website and go deeper into your study to reach your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video and be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Stay tuned. Bye for now.